Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Griffin, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I received your inquiry on the 2013 GMC Terrain, and I thought I'd come out and just shoot you a quick video of the vehicle so that way you can see it. I know there's specifics that you're wanting, backup camera, Bluetooth, that type of thing. So this is the video of the vehicle here. It is exterior color. It does have really nice steel alloy wheels. It looks like there's brand new tires on there as well. Here's the interior. It is a cloth seating, but it does have a power driver seat with a power lumbar support as well. It looks like you've got automatic headlights here, so if you leave it on auto, both your headlights and your fog lights are also automatic. You get a really nice touchscreen display here too, so that comes on. That's where your backup camera is going to show up. It's got heated seats here, so your heated seats, your climate control. Looks like you have Bluetooth here as well, so there's the Bluetooth, that's for your phone. You get an OnStar there, sunroof, and the back seating. It's a really nice clean vehicle. Has low mileage for the year. It has about 55,000 miles on the vehicle. Please let me know if there's any questions that you have before you come in. If not, we'll see you on Thursday. If you have any questions, 321-254-8888, and my extension is 349. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.